Welcome to my channel. This is Cryptonio, and I will tell you all you need to know about grid trading in 5 minutes. Grid trading essentially automates buying and selling crypto derivative contracts in Binance futures. It allows you to trade systematically without the need to forecast the direction of a trend. So even without having much knowledge about the technicalities involved in crypto trading, you can actually use the grid trading to your advantage, and you can allow Binance automates buying and selling at different price intervals. You can choose from two predefined modes. You can either choose the arithmetic and the geometric mode. The arithmetic mode allows this buying to be done using an equal price difference. But if you're using the geometric mode, then it works using equal price ratio. As a perk, as an experienced trader, you can manually customize and set your grid parameters on your own. And you can do this using the manual mode. I'm going to show you this shortly. How you can use the manual mode to automate your buying and selling activity. Now, if you're a newbie, you're not left out. As a newbie with the auto parameter function, you'll be able to create a grid trading strategy with just one click. So meaning you can use the auto parameter function and automate it, and Binance automatically does the trading, just like a bot doing the buying and selling. On page, we have to go to derivative because it's found in Binance futures. You click on derivative, you see the USDM, that's the USD margin futures. When you click on this, it's going to take you to the USDM futures interface. Firstly, icon here, you see you have strategic trading. Now, strategic trading has both spot and futures grid. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be looking at the futures grid. So when you click on your futures grid, it will take you into the futures grid. So basically, we have neutral, we have long, we have short. So I've explained some of these terms previously, but I'll just show you how you get started. Now, if you are new to crypto, like I earlier said, then you want to use the auto mode. The auto mode is similar to the manual mode, but here Binance helps you automate different prices. So let's say our favorite pair is BNB. Now, let's say we're using BNB USDT mode. All I need to know is to understand the direction of the market. If the market is going bullish, I know the market is going bullish, so I want to buy while the market goes down and sell while the market goes up. So I want to click on the long mode. The second thing I need to do is adjust my size. So this is now my leverage 69x. So if you're new, firstly, you'll be prompted to accept the arguments that you understand what you're doing. So you just need to click on the prompt. The second thing you need to look out for is your leverage. Now you see this leverage is quite high, but I'm using a very high leverage because my margin is not really much. So if you really want to go, if you have much margin, initial margin, then you can reduce your leverage. It's always safe to reduce your leverage so you are not exposed to much risk, especially if you're new to crypto trading. Looking at this, I can decide to put in whatever percent. So if I put in, let's say, a portion of my total amount, if I click in here, you see that the margin is not sufficient, so I need to use about 21 USDT from my total margin. So I said leverage, you can adjust your leverage to whatever you want to, and you can adjust your initial margin using this control here. So now if I click on create, you see confirm, and that's it. So this is my grid order confirmation. This is very important. Now you see my direction is long, my mode is arithmetic. I said previously arithmetic does the calculation using a constant price difference. Now this is my leverage. I said you can work on your leverage. You can make your leverage as small as whatever you want to make it, but you know that when you make it so small, you should have a reasonable initial margin so you can be able to trade. Now this is my price range, so it's more like my lower and my upper price. So it flows currently like with the current price of BNB within the range of the price. So you need to pick a price that is lower than the current price of BNB and the price that's higher than the current price of BNB. So BNB is currently trading for 428 USDT. But what I'm doing now is that my lower range is 340 and my higher range is this. So now my grid number is 57. So it means it's going to open 57 orders to buy and sell, 57 grid orders. So all these are just my profit per grid, my initial margin, my total investment. It's all this. So now based on my leverage, I'm having this as my total investment. So when I click on this, I have read, and all I need to do is to click on confirmation. So when you come right here, after clicking on that, you'll be told that your confirmation, your grid was created successfully. So now, having created this grid, if you come here, you see my running order, you see my histories. Then for my running order, you can see, just go here, you see your view. You can end your plan, you can continue clicking on view. If you click on the view, you will see we have different buy orders. So meaning that if BNB moves from its current price, BNB is around 427, right? You can see here. So if BNB moves, it's going to buy at this different price, 420. If it goes down from this 427 to 425, 423, 421, it's going to buy for me. It's going to keep buying the BNB. And for every increment it does, it's going to sell for me. So when BNB goes back to 429, I'm going to have my first sale. My first sale is 431 and so on. So you see the price difference is constant. So all these are certain things you need to understand. And one other thing I will point out is so I have a running plan. You see I'm already having 0.05%, even without doing anything, without analyzing anything. So BNB has bought for me and it's calculating my profits. So I can decide to click on this end right here. You can click on confirm, and that was it. You've closed the plan. One other thing I want to point out is the copy parameter to manual settings. So if you're an experienced trader, you click on the manual mode, you see you have the option to impute your parameters from scratch. So you can choose your lower price, your upper price, your number of grids, you can put your initial margin, you can do every other things, and there are other advanced options that you can play with. But you can also go back to your auto and click on the copy parameter to manual. So if you copy these parameters to manual, you see it already populates the lower and upper prices. So all you need to do is to impute some other price. It'll already give you the number of grids, so you just have to manipulate, fix whatever figures you want to fix here, and you ensure you trade, manage your risk accordingly. So here we have the neutral. As if we're using the neutral, you can use the fluctuating markets is useful. You can use the long, the market is going down and it's going to pick up anytime soon, so you can go to long. So if you want to buy low and sell high, then you can do the short if you are in a bearish market, you believe that the market is going to go down, so as it goes up it buys for you, and as it comes down it continues to sell. I believe with this you'll be able to do the futures grid and you'll be able to use it to your advantage. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and continue.